Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminians on Monday, Vilepi finds herself on a relentless quest. Samke messed with the wrong one. Busi worms her way into Sibongile's heart. On Tuesday, Vilepi attracts hungry lions. Though Peteni is at her wit's end, she refuses to let go of the life she has built. Tina is caught red-handed with the forbidden fruit. On Wednesday, Gwenzo decides to help Stanley and lift him out of poverty against Njengaya's wishes. Sangweni returns and turns Vuma and Samke's world upside down to help Velepi. Nelisiwe walks into something scandalous. Thank you guys for watching.